Namaste and welcome to Sugarcane AI's learning series. My name is Nikhilesh and I'm a founder of an edtech platform called AI, ML, etc. Basically, we teach artificial intelligence and large language models in a very simple language. In the previous videos, we started learning about prompt engineering. We started with basic prompt engineering techniques and then we moved to advanced prompt engineering techniques like chain of thoughts. In this video, we'll cover other advanced prompt engineering techniques like tree of thought prompting. We'll also cover hallucination, and then we'll see how basically we can overcome hallucination using ask before answering prompting. So let's start. So what is tree of thought prompting? So it's an useful technique for advanced problem solving where you ask ChatGPT to come up with multiple solutions and then you ask ChatGPT itself to evaluate those solutions, and then based on the evaluation you ask ChatGPT to go further deeper and provide you the best solution. Let's understand how it works. So the first phase is brainstorming. So basically you present the problem statement with a context and different factors, and then you ask ChatGPT to get multiple or all possible solutions for that problem. So for example, you gave this problem that, I have a problem related to finding a job as a developer in Bangalore, and you told ChatGPT about yourself that you are a front-end developer and versed with React technologies with 3 years of experience. You said that I have a good communication skills but have trouble speaking at times due to nervousness. So you also presented the constraint, and then you asked ChatGPT, could you brainstorm 3 distinct solutions? Please consider a variety of factors such as location, size of company, my background, company salary, and growth potential. So basically you gave your background, you gave the constraint that you have trouble speaking at times, and you also asked ChatGPT to come up with all possible solutions. But here you have specified that I need 3 solutions and consider these things as well. So this was the first phase, which is brainstorming, and based on this input ChatGPT came up with 3 solutions. Now, what is the second phase? Second phase is the evaluation phase, where you ask ChatGPT to evaluate all the possible solutions, as in all the solutions which it has generated in terms of challenges and their pros and cons. So for each solution, you want ChatGPT also to recommend what are the pros and what are the cons. So let's understand this. So for the solution 1, it came up with the solution that focus on mid-sized companies with supportive work culture, right? And then it also specified what are the pros of working with a mid-sized company with supporting work culture and what are the cons of the same. Now, what is the phase 3? In phase 3, then you ask the model to go deep on every solution for strategies and other unexpected outcomes. So for example, for each solution, deepen the thought process, generate the potential scenarios, strategies for implementation, any necessary partnership or resources, and how potential obstacles might be overcome. Okay. Now, in this case, the solution 1, focus on mid-sized company with supportive work culture. So now it has come up with the potential scenarios, like you identify a mid-sized company known for its supportive work culture and growth strategy. So what should be your strategy for the scenario? Competition is high for positions in mid-size. So all the potential scenarios, you also want the strategy or to overcome or to help you with these scenarios. And in the last phase, then you ask ChatGPT that now, on the basis of the reasoning done so far, now you rank the solutions. So now what you have specified that based on the evaluation in scenarios, rank the solutions in order of promise, provide a justification for each ranking, and offer any final thought or consideration for each solution. And this is how Now ChatGPT has ranked them. So it has ranked the solution 2 as number 1, which was enhanced speaking skills through Toastmasters or public speaking skills. So ChatGPT is suggesting that, if you have a speaking problem, then maybe you can enhance your speaking skills, and that is the most preferred solution. At number 2, it is suggesting that leverage professional networking and attend tech meetups in order to get a job in technology field. And the first solution, which it has provided, a focus on mid-sized companies with supportive work culture. After evaluating the pros and cons, it has ranked at number 3. So now you can see how we can use ChatGPT's generation capabilities as well as reasoning capabilities to come up with a solution or come up with a decision. Now let's understand this major thing, which is hallucination. So hallucination is a major problem of large language models like ChatGPT. So what is a simple definition of hallucination? Hallucination is visualizing those things which actually don't exist, right? And ChatGPT hallucinates, for example. So ChatGPT is amazing, but beware its hallucinations. So let's take an example. So this is an example that if you provide an input, tell me a fact about George Washington. What ChatGPT responded with is, George Washington was known for inventing the cotton gin. However, in reality, Ellie Whitney and not George Washington invented the cotton gin. So now ChatGPT has hallucinated and it has come up with a very random answer. So what we need to be careful about ChatGPT's response is that we can't trust ChatGPT's response every time. We need to double check the facts before we are taking any action or before we are, submitting anywhere else. So how can we prevent hallucination? So there is one prompting technique called ask before answer. So in this technique, what you will do, you will basically ask ChatGPT whether it has understood the question or not, whether it has any further questions, or whether it has assumed anything before answering. So it will cross-check its understanding and then only it will generate the answer. So basically what this ask before answering prompting technique is that in this framework, we ask ChatGPT to ask for clarifications or doubts before attempting to answer. For example, let's say we have this. So we say that you are an expert in the field of email marketing, crafting expert emails for companies like these and these. Now I am going to ask you some specific tasks to complete. But before you answer, I want you to do the following. If you have any questions about my task or uncertainty about delivering the best possible answers, always ask bullet point questions for clarification before generating your answer. Is that understood? And now see what ChatGPT has responded. It has said, yes, I understand. If I have any questions or uncertainties about your task, I will ask for clarification by using bullet points before providing an answer. And this ensures that I can deliver the most accurate and helpful answer. So basically now we are seeing that, whatever we are asking, ChatGPT is actually understanding it. It doesn't have any confusion, or it is not assuming anything. And it understood that, by doing this, basically it can generate the accurate and helpful answer. So let's understand. So now after this, what we have given, we said that, great. My question is, I wish to learn the basics of email marketing. Your task is to identify and share the most important 20% of learnings from the topics that will help me understand 80% of it. Now, please ask any questions you have so that I can improve my prompt before you complete your task. Now, let's see what ChatGPT has responded with. So now it has come up with 3 questions. Are you specifically interested in basics of email marketing for promotional marketing purpose, or do you also want to cover transactional emails and other types of email communication? Could you provide any specific areas of interest within email marketing, such as building an email list, creating effective subject lines, etc.? Or do you have any prior knowledge or experience in email marketing, understanding your existing familiarity with the topic? So now it basically what it's doing, it's checking that, at what level you know email marketing already. It's also clarifying all the assumptions, right? So basically this is what ask me before answering technique is. Now you can provide the clarification that, I wish to learn how to send emails for promotional purposes. Now you understood that, what ChatGPT has, understood. So based on its question, now you can answer that I wish to learn how to send emails for promotional purposes. I wish to learn about subject lines and email body design, and I have zero experience in email marketing. So now ChatGPT has understood what exactly you are looking for, how much experience or how much knowledge you have, and based on that, it can generate the response. So this is what ask before answering prompting technique is. So that's it for today's. Thanks for watching this video. We'll be coming up with more such videos. So make sure that you keep watching these videos. Thank you.